Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making a Middle Eastern chicken shawarma. Very quick and easy to make, great dinner for during a pandemic. Uses only a few ingredients. So first we're going to make the chicken shawarma, but then we're also going to make something called Israeli salad and tahini, which is a sauce for it, a white sauce for it. Those are all going to be separate videos, but they'll be all together. So you can check them all out together and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. In the end, it's going to be served in a pita. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. We're going to be using a chicken shawarma seasoning mix. You can buy that pre-made, or you can mix it yourself. In the description below, I will give a list of all the ingredients, but I'll also give a separate recipe for chicken shawarma seasoning if you want to make it yourself. All right, so let's begin. Over here I have 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs that basically I've just cut up into little pieces, like literally half-inch pieces. I have 3 tablespoons of chicken shawarma seasoning and 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use either vegetable oil or olive oil, whatever you have handy. The olive oil is probably a little more healthy. The vegetable oil is a little bit less expensive, so make your own decisions on that one. Anyway, I'm going to add our seasoning to our chicken thighs. I'm going to add our oil to our chicken thighs. And just mix it in really, really, really well. You notice over here I have a sheet pan with parchment paper. The other really important part about this is you have to preheat your oven to about 450 degrees. We're going to cook this at a very, very hot temperature, and it'll take literally less than 10 minutes to cook, or about 10 minutes to cook. So I added 3 tablespoons of chicken shawarma mix, and I'm looking at it, and I'm actually going to add a bit more because it doesn't look like there's enough seasoning. So I'm going to actually add probably another 2 tablespoons. And as I said, this was 2.5 pounds of chicken. Two more. 2 more level tablespoons of chicken shawarma mix. Once it's mixed through and through, we're going to put it out on a sheet pan. You notice it's in a ball. We want to basically flatten it as flat as we can get it. Once it's nice and flat, we're going to stick it in a 450 degree oven for about 10 minutes. See you in 10. So our chicken shawarma has been cooking for about 10 or 12 minutes. You actually see that sizzling, and it's fully cooked, so it's done. Thank you. So our chicken shawarma is done. The one thing that you do have to do is it kind of sticks together a little bit, so you just take a spoon and break it up so it's into little pieces. And I'm going to show you how to make a chicken shawarma sandwich. We've made our Israeli salad, we've made tahini sauce, we've made our chicken shawarma. I have some pita bread that I've cut in half and I've heated just lightly in the toaster oven. So from here we're just going to add some chicken. After that we're going to put a little bit of tahini sauce. Some Israeli salad. A little more sauce on top. And you have a chicken shawarma sandwich. Delicious. Perfect. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Be well.